Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to get the API key from Airtable in 2024. Whether you're looking to integrate Airtable with some other apps or you're just trying to build maybe some custom automation, the API key is your key to unlock Airtable potential. So I'll guide you through the steps to find and use your API key securely. So make sure to stick by, let's dive right into the video and simply let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch us from now till the end so you have full experience. First, you'll need to go and open a browser. For me here, I'm using Brave. For you, you can use whatever you want. Once you open it, go to the URL section. Of course, you would like to go to airtable.com. If it's your first time though, you will be taken to this page. Okay, sorry. So you'll be taken to this page in here. So let me just wait for the page until it loads. And you should find yourself here. Here, as you can see, you can click on login at the top right corner or sign in to sign in into your account if you have one. And if you don't have an account, you can click on create an account and you'll be able to create an account. You can use a Google account if you don't want to go through all the boring steps of creating or even logging into your account. You can use also an Apple ID if you want to. There is this option of single sign-on. What does that mean? If you want to just use Airtable once, as an example, you're trying to just create a database and download it into your PC. You don't want to like get it saved into an account or something like that. It's up to you. You can use this single sign-on, where you can use the Airtable just once to create spreadsheets, database, whatever you want, and maybe download this as a PDF, as a CSV file, and yeah, you'll be good to go. So once you're logged in, you'll find yourself here in the dashboard. The first thing that you would like to do, of course, is create some workspaces, create some other stuff, like example, inside the workspaces, like maybe spreadsheets, database. You can do that by starting from scratch, upload something from anything in here. If you didn't find what you want, you can simply submit a request to add whatever app you want to import from. Other than that, of course, you can start with the template. They have a lot of templates to check from. As you can see in here, a lot. You can even see all the templates if you click in here. As you can see here, where you can submit the app that you want to import from. So you can also create something using AI if you want to. Just type whatever you want in here and click on next, and it'll create everything for you. If you like it, you'll be able to edit on it a little bit, or if you don't want to edit it, just click on next and add, and the app will be created for you. So the template, as we said, as you can see here, is a lot of templates. So they have categories for each template. So, or templates for each category, like all the design and UX templates, IT and operations templates, chain management templates, as you can see, education templates, a lot of things. So now that's not what we care about. What we want is simply to get our API key. How to get the API key from Airtable? To get that, so you'll need your accounts at the top right corner, as an example, click on accounts. Once you click on accounts, as you can see in here, you should find something. So create this API, as you can see. So as you can see, you'll find the API in here. So what you have in here is API keys will be deprecated by the end of January 2024. So it seems like it's not here anymore in this page. So after this date, API keys will stop working and you will have to immigrate to personal tokens. Personal tokens allow you to more securely grant API access to Airtable data. You can learn more, of course, in here if you want to learn more. As you can see, during the deprecation period, API keys can be still accessed via Developer Hub, and you can access, of course, Developer Hub at any time via your account menu. So as you can see, API keys seems like are not the option to if you want to connect any other like app outside of here. So you'll have to use like those uh, personal tokens or personal access tokens. Of course, you can learn more about it in here, as they said. Other than that, you can simply just go to Developer Hub, where you can still use this API key as an example. Yeah, as you can see, you can go and create your tokens in here. And yeah, you have no personal tokens, so no API keys. It's called personal token now, in which you can use. It's the same as API key as an example, but yeah, what you can is create a personal token. As you can see, personal access token grants permission to read or write data via Airtable API, which is basically API key. So to get your API key, all you need to do, just go and click on create token. And once you click on create token, of course, you'll have to give it a name. So as you can see here, personal access token are required to use Airtable API. This token will grant access to the data in the selected workspace and bases. This token will also allow usage of other non-workspaces or workspace slash base API endpoints. Only use this token for your own development. Don't share it with third-party services and applications. Name, of course, you'll have to give it the name. The token name will be visible in record revision history. So I'll just go here and give it a name. As example, I'll just name it here Omics as example. You can add the scope to it. As example, with this token, you'll be able to add a scope, example, which record data and comments, basically data records writes, and etc. And access, you can give it some access to a specific workspaces, example, maybe to all workspaces or maybe to something specific in a specific workspace. So for me, I'll just give it access to all workspaces. For scoops, I'll just give it everything as example, why not? So as you can see, I'll just give it all the permissions in here. And the last one is this one. Yeah, I'm giving it seems everything. So yeah, this should be good to go. So name and everything, I'll just go and click on create token. It's fine it's shown here because I will just delete it afterwards. As you can see, this is it. You get it. All you need to do just go copy it. As you can see, this token will be only shown once. Copy it now and store it in safe and secure location. Only use this token for your own development. Don't share it with third-party services and applications again. So click on done. Once you copy it, of course, click on done. And you'll find it right here. Of course, you can always delete the token however you want, which I will do right now because I will not use it at the moment. And yeah, for you, you should be good to go now to go and use your token wherever you want. Of course, if you want to access like everything, or if you wanted to have all the permissions, make sure to give it all the permissions in there. So in here, like access, give it access to everything. As example, to all current and future bases in the workspace, and all current and future bases in all current and future workspaces. This is good to give it all the access. And the scopes, of course, make sure to give it everything as well, to give it all the access, especially if you want all the access from your API key. So that's gonna be it for me today. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. So goodbye.